Hey, what's up, Nappreneurs? I hope your baby and your kids are sleeping peacefully as we are going to go through how to set up your email through NowSite. It's really easy, it's really fast. So after this intro, we're going to get straight to it. Okay, guys, so let's get straight into it. I don't want to waste too much time. Babies wake up, kids wake up and interrupt you. So let's get this done. So once you are in your NowSite back office, you're going to go to the marketing tab again. Right here is the bullhorn. That's one of my older kids who does not sleep, so we're just going to have to ignore them. And we're going to go to email campaigns. Go to add new. Okay, make sure that your email is synced. If you see email connections, your email is synced so that it will be sending and receiving emails from the email that you put in there. So you can put your campaign, and we'll just say NowSite, right? And then so you pick your email, connect list, so just whatever website you want to connect it to, then you press get started. Okay, then this is going to pop up. This is where you're going to start your editing process. Here you have your campaign, NowSite, all of these things that you just put. Now it says send to list. We're going to select that, and then we're going to add right here. I didn't mean to press send. Don't press send. Go to add new email, because you can create a bunch of emails. So we're just going to add new email. We're going to save. And then here is where we're going to start formatting everything. So if you want, you can put a large image, right? If you want an image, and then you can add an image, maybe something like that. And then we can format it if you want. All right. And then after you do that, you can put in the body of the email. You drag that, and then you can edit your text. Before you do that, and you go to the bottom left corner, you can put their whole name. You can copy their whole name, this whole name thing, or you can do the first name. I recommend first name to make it more personal. So copy that, and then you can go to your edit text, and you can be like, hi, person, and then you put your email campaign. You can add a video, another image, a headline, or not. Once you have it the way you want it, then you save it. And you can save and exit. Oh, you gotta put the name. Fill out the subject line. And then after you finish all of that, and you like the way your email looks, then you can press save and exit. And then you have your email campaign. So what you would do is, when you have your list of your website, like your people who put their information in your website, on your lead pages, on your landing pages, you'll be sending emails. It will automatically send out this message to the people that you have already listed in the group. Let me show you really quickly. So if you have your email list, if you go to your contacts, then you have a list of contacts, there's nobody in this list because it's a mock list. But if there were a group of people here, I could say email this list, and then I would pick, this NowSite one, and then I will send my emails to there. You see? So that's how that works. If you have any questions, feel free to drop comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if this was helpful to you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.